Dear students, good morning. Today we discuss about the topic displacement. On the previous lecture we discuss about the topic motion and its different classifications, say one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional motion, and today we shall discuss about the term displacement. A displacement is defined as the change in position of the object with respect to its surrounding in a particular direction and is given by a vector drawn from its initial position to the final position. It is a vector quantity and it has the same unit as the unit of length. So SI unit of displacement is meter. Means displacement in actual is the length. Say displacement in हिंदी we can say displacement is विस्थापन. मीन्स जब जो ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज करता है वन प्लेस टू अदर प्लेस किसी एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में, तब हम कहते हैं कि ऑब्जेक्ट ने विस्थापन किया, ऑब्जेक्ट में विस्थापन हुआ, ऑब्जेक्ट विस्थापित हुआ अपनी इनिशियल पोजीशन से फाइनल पोजीशन तक, तो दैट इज़ द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. इसीलिए इसकी ऐसा यूनिट हम क्या लिखते हैं, मीटर, क्योंकि एक तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करता है किसको, डिस्टेंस को, लेंथ को. Displacement of an object can be positive, zero or negative. For example, if an object moves from initial position A to final position B, then its displacement is represented as vector AB. Say it is represented from vector A to vector B in a particular direction A to B, then it is represented as vector AB. This type of displacement is positive displacement. And when object move from B to A in the direction AB, then vector BA is termed as negative displacement. डायरेक्शन है ए टू बी बट ऑब्जेक्ट मूव करे बी टू ए, देन वी कैन से वेक्टर बी ए, दैट इज नेगेटिव डिस्प्लेसमेंट. इफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट आफ्टर ट्रेवलिंग सर्टेन distance reaches to the initial position again, then displacement of the particle will be zero. For example, an object move from A to B and after certain time it move from B to A, means initial position of the object is A and final position is also A, then we can say total displacement is zero. Similarly, in a rounded form, object say start from this position A and after covering this whole path object again reaches to the point A, then we can say on that circular path displacement of the object from A to A is again zero. So displacement can be measured zero, positive or negative. Now the next term is distance. Length of actual path covered by the object from initial position to the final position is known as distance. इनिशियल पोजीशन से ए से ऑब्जेक्ट मूव करना स्टार्ट करे और बी पोजीशन तक यदि ऑब्जेक्ट जाता है और इसमें कोई पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन फॉलो नहीं होती, से ऑब्जेक्ट ए टू बी इस पाथ से जा रहा है, ऑब्जेक्ट ए टू बी इस पाथ से जा रहा है, ऑब्जेक्ट ए टू बी स्ट्रेट जा रहा है, ऑब्जेक्ट ए टू बी किसी स्पाइरल पाथ से जा रहा है, कर्व्ड पाथ से जा रहा है, तो उस केसेस में हम कहते हैं टोटल लेंथ जो ऑब्जेक्ट ने कवर की ए टू बी, नॉट एनी वन ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, दैट length of actual path is known as the distance. So this is basic difference between displacement and distance. In the displacement, length of the path as well as the direction in which distance is covered, that makes a displacement. But in case of distance, we focus only on the length of path of the object, not the direction in which object moves. So it is distance. As there is No need of direction, so it is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity and distance is a scalar quantity, and its SI unit is also meter because it is also the length of the path, and displacement is also the length of the path. And basic difference between these two, it is a scalar quantity, distance is a scalar quantity, but displacement is a vector quantity. Velocity. Now the next term is velocity. What is velocity? The time rate of change of displacement of an object is called the velocity of the object. Its SI unit is meter per second and its dimensional formula is m naught L1 t minus 1. It is a vector quantity. Velocity